Where is your written statement?
Written statement, I did not get it, I'm sorry that I could not annex, it is with the record perhaps. My lord. Yes, my lord. Incomplete Samadi. But my lord, regarding the voter list, my lord, right from the 2005, the learned tribunal, my lord, he has not discussed anything in details. My lord. In his deposition, my lord, dated, my lord, 19 September 2005. Cross-examination, yes. He has rightly stated about his. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. He was in another village. Yes. Regarding that part, my lord, he has rightly stated in my lord, WS, I suppose, my lord. But he has simply said that his grandfather casted vote from a different village. And regarding the voter list only, he has rightly stated the name of the village. Yes, my lord. Yes. Yes, my lord. I'll get the instruction. My lord, otherwise, my lord, what I was trying to claim before your lordship, if you go by the records, my lord, regarding the 1970 voter list, although it's a single name voter list, but there is a only discrepancy regarding one alphabet, my lord, regarding the grade, my lord. Yes, my lord. The statement should have been correctly made, my lord. That was not done. Hmm. My lord. So 2 weeks, my lord, can you be?
Item 2.
May pleases your lordship. Lordship, your petitioner has, her mother has adduced evidence as DW3, and Gaumbura also has evidence as DW2, Lordship. And she has exhibited voters list of 1966-70 of grandparents, Lordship, and 1977 of grandparents and father, mother. And linkage with her father is the school certificate, which was also, the authorities were called headmaster of that particular school has adduced evidence, lordship. At this stage, lordship, I'll pray for an interim protection, and let me also go through in details the record. I could not complete my going through the records fully, lordship. And the register was also brought in, lordship. Yes, lordship. Delay, I think we have also filed an additional affidavit, lordship, explaining the delay. Additional affidavit also we have filed, lordship. We have stated the reasons, lordship. For this poor litigant, sometimes it's difficult. Yes, lordship. All are not generous enough to support or something. That
Interim protection দিছে তো
no, not to be deported, but arrested.
এখন কি লাগে
Yes, yes, lordship. Written statement is at page 43, lordship.
Year of birth of your father and or if he's alive or not.
Yes, he died, we had mentioned in paragraph 20, Lordship, page 45. The father
1988.
of the opposite party
What age?
expired in the year 1998.
Age is not given.
Age is not given, but had mentioned that he died in the year.
Where is the voter list here where your father name appeared? You want to know the age of your father?
Yes, Lordship. Father is 77, page, Lordship. Page 82, Lordship.
Age 82.
Yes, Lordship.
Mofizuddin.
Yes, Lordship.
He's the father.
Yes, Lordship.
50 in 1977.
Not Mofizuddin, Lordship. Mahiruddin. It's serial number 60, Lordship, 35.
Mohiruddin,
Yes,
35.
Lordship.
Because the entry of your father, the document of your father starts from 1977.
Yes, Lordship.
There's no explanation about the. He got the attained the age of franchise in the year 1963.
Lordship, age discrepancy is there, Lordship.
63 to 77, there's no causes shown.
Lordship, 1966, 70 is of the grandparents, Lordship.
But 70, you were eligible to vote.
Lordship.
In 1970, you became eligible to vote.
Yes, Lordship, age discrepancy is there. That only I'm stating, Lordship. And even the council has submitted a judgment also before the trial, learned tribunal with regard to age discrepancy. So that argument, I couldn't go through fully, Lordship, and I don't have the copy of it. It's in the record. I've just seen that one judgment also is being relied because of the age discrepancy.
No, you forget about the age discrepancy. This Mohizuddin, Mafizuddin is your father,
Mofizuddin is the grandfather.
grandfather.
Yes.
So you see the point which we are asking you is, if in 1977 your father was 35, he was born in 1942. So he should have been eligible to vote after 1963. What is the age discrepancy you are referring to now?
Lordship, even in 85, which is at page 84, Mohiruddin, his age is 38. 35 in his age is 38.
number?
So, page 84, Lordship.
In 85.
85, Lordship.
Mohiruddin. He's your father.
Yes.
Except for voter list, you don't have any other document.
Grandparents' lordship, Jamabandi. Which is at page lordship 106. In the name of grandfather.
Did the school headmaster come and depose?
Yes, lordship.
Where is his deposition?
His deposition is at page lordship. uh, uh, Page 73.
Page number?
73, lordship.
You see, page 73,
Yes, lordship.
as per this evidence, Mumtaz Begum has been reading up to class 8 and left the school at the age of 15 years, 6 months, 16 days. Correct.
Yes, Lordship.
Last line, Mumtaz Begum has taken admission in the school on 1/1/94. That means she has taken admission in class 6.
That's it. 94.
She would have been transferred from some other school.
Maybe.
And Mr. Payang, unless you
In fact, some tribunals are doing this, man. This, my lord, I'm sorry to say, this lady, she is died out, but she is no more there. This member is no more there. She expired, yes, they expired. She expired.
The learned counsel for the petitioner has paid for bail, which is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the FT matters. On the ground that there is inordinate delay in selling the imperial opinion. Next. Next paragraph. Although the explanation to the as the explanation to the delay is vague, the issue of maintainability is still kept open. We decided along with the connected when the matter is heard. Next paragraph. In view of the nature of projection made in this writ petition, without intending this order to be cited as a precedent, one court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, namely so and so. 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border,
Kamrup Lordship,
Kamrup,
Amingao.
Amingao. As one of the conditions of grant of bail, the petitioner shall appear before the office of the Superintendent of Police. The appearance would be where? A police station or SP office?
SP.
SP office. In the office of the Superintendent of Police Border, Kamrup, Amingao. Once every 2 months. To show a continued presence in the district. So the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the Kamrup district without prior information to the office of the Superintendent of Police Border, Kamrup, Amingao. Other conditions will be there, set two more conditions. List the matter for hearing in the week commencing 1/12/2025.
Lead reply.
2 months, once in 2 months, you'll have to appear before the Superintendent of Police.
Yes, Lordship. Lead.
Item 3 for orders.
I have seen the affidavit. From the affidavit, my lord, they have stated, they have said that on good faith of the, I have taken our advocate, we have done it. So. From the affidavit, my. Very much, ma'am. एक मिनट, अंदर को अगर कॉपी रखी. No, did him, this one is not punishment. My lord.
Give them a warning. and
Yes,
keep
yes,
them
my
at
lord. Same type of situation arise in Delhi. What they are doing, my lord, I have just come across a one, sorry, Supreme Court, my lord. That ultimately we went to the Supreme Court. They, my lord, this is the Abhitha. In case of dead man, that person is no more, but he is on behalf of him, the affidavit was subsequent. In that case, exactly. My lord. No, that's why, my lord, that was a big problem in that from Haryana, my lord. So ultimately in criminal cases, and then ultimately, my lord, some order was passed, and they were pardoned, my lord. That is a write up. I've come across a write up, and ultimately there is that one. No, to get my lord, I come so quickly. With a caution that my lord, the blank was there. Oh, this side, no. One way to my help to
The judgment in Suraj Lamb. Where my lord, is original version by lord in Suraj Lamb. The judgment in Suraj Lamb, my lord, where my lord, it was stated by Justice Ravindran, my lord, that the TPA and the property by that transfer will not be effective until the amendment is registered fully, my lord. There is some indication of the blank, my lord, notice. People being, my lord, authorized by the Supreme Court.
My lord, question is, my lord, whether it is bona fide or mala fide.
How would we create that? I mean, therefore,
It seemed to be, my lord, bona fide. Mistake is bona fide.
yes, my lord. Jim Mathur and his senior counsel and assisted by Ms. P. Sharma and counsel. You just say first say Mike is good. Senior counsel. Assisted by the speaker. Also for Mr. G. Chaudhary, the counsel preparing for the preparing for Abdul Quddus, advocate and notary, appointed by the government of India by registration number 37610. As well as Mr. J. Abidin, learned counsel, appearing for Kazibar Rahman, KZIBAR, Kazibar Rahman. The advocates clerk, by license number 30/2002. Issued by this.
সারা ছিল না সালাম mostly warning to remove carefully feature that lining that photo lining what are handling the
Background facts leading to the registration of this case is that
ମୁଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ কোনো ইলেকশনে
One,
হেলে হেতু নানি
Musammad Monowara Khatun, alias Monowara Begum. M-O-N-O-W-A-R-A, Khatun P-H-A-T-U-N, Monowara M-E-N-O-W-A-R-A Begum, who is the petitioner in WPC 4720 of 2025. At the relevant time, was in custody, was taken into custody and was lodged in the transit camp, Matia, Walpara. And while in custody, a purported affidavit sworn on 31/7/2025 was filed before this court. And in the affidavit, the deponent was identified by the advocate's clerk and she is shown to have appeared before the notary public who has affixed his signature and rubber stamp along with another rubber stamp by which the notary public has certified that he has read over and explained the contents to the declarant. Full stop. Next, in view of the false declaration made by the notary public, which, in the opinion of the court, could erode the sanctity of the proceedings. And accordingly, in order to examine whether appropriate contempt proceedings could be drawn up against them, this interrogatory application was ordered to be registered by order dated 28/2025, passed in WPC 4720 of 2025. Next paragraph. In response to the show cause notice, Kazibar Rahman, the notary public, is the advocate's clerk, and in a separate affidavit of show cause reply filed by Abdul Quddus, the advocate and notary, I have tendered unconditional apology and stated that the affidavit was signed, was identified and notarized in good faith. And they both seek pardon for their act. The learned counsel appearing for the notary public as well as the learned, as well as the advocate's clerk, both submitted that the mistake of this sort will not be repeated in future. Next. Considering their apology and the submissions made by the learned council, respective learned council, the mistakes of this sort would not be repeated in future. Comma, the court expressing caution to the notary public as well as to the advocate's clerk to take care in having, take care in identifying deponent and to swear and notarize the affidavits. Be more careful in future, so that such unfortunate situation does not arise, comma, specifically in respect to the present respondents. Next part. Accordingly, we close the matter. Without initiating any action against the notary public and the advocate's clerk. Next para. We put on record our appreciation towards the learned amicus curiae for his able assistance to the court. Post- With the note of caution, this interlocutory application stands closed.
Deeply.
I would like to withdraw this petition, my lord.
Okay. In the petition, you say, it's by S.A. Ahmed,
Liberty ले लो.
on instructions, it's to withdraw this petition. It is considered and allowed. The matter then closed and withdraw. All the respondents are represented.
Mine. Deeply.
Regard to it.
Okay, with liberty to approach again.
Deeply is admitted question.
Liberty.
Item 4 for hearing.
Might please all of you. Matter relates to in my lord Alice case of my lord fake encounter, my lord, wherein 2 person, my lord, died and 1 person was severely injured, my lord. Yeah, in fact, my lord, by 2-3 orders, my lord, the status. Hey, doctor, लगेंगे. Yes, I think.
Mr. Chaudhary,
My lord,
we intend to take it up next week.
my lord.
Right now, in this last 3 or 4 days, I have too many CVs
my-
which have filed up.
In the meantime, my lord, that those 2 status report, if it comes, my lord, that would be possibly required, my lord, because on the same incident, my lord, the petitioner's side lost 1 case, my lord. That is Runikata Pier.
Oh, acha, that Runikata matter.
Oh, this is different, my lord,
Then-
not same police station, but different laws. We have not taken up this case earlier, my lord. Different case.
Okay. The same incident.
No, my lord, different
Different
incident, but that police station is same, my lord.
No, Runikata.
Famous or infamous, my lord.
Something, to get some memories.
Yes, my lord.
But
Here, my lord,
status of investigation of which matter, please tell us.
Runikata PS case number 28/2013, my lord.
Just a moment.
28/5/20.
Just a moment. Runi Khata spelling is RUNI KHATA.
My lord,
TS case number
28/2013, my lord.
2013. This is filed by
This is by the army side, my lord.
by the army. And PS case number 30/2013, that is filed by the petition.
TS case number 30
30,
of 2013.
same, my lord.
Who's the informant here?
We have Tijen, my lord, the petition number 2, my lord, Tijen Najari, my lord.
Just give me the name,
My lord,
spelling,
Tijen, my lord,
TIJEN,
my lord, Narzary,
Nazari.
my lord. And the other FI, my lord, that 28/2013, that is Captain Aditya Singh Senglar, no?
You have to bring the scan copy of the case diary also, if not
My lord.
already submitted.
The instruction which I received in the month of June 2024, it said that the investigation was given to the additional SP crimes, Ukraja. He is an independent item to investigate the people, and at that point of time, the investigation of 10 people. I'll obtain the status of the
Again,
Mr. Nath,
Yes.
you see, I'm just thinking aloud. First, we call this is a matter of 2013. We call the status report. Then again, we call the case diary. It takes double time. So we ask you to produce the scan copy of the case diary, whatever is available, as well as status report. So then we are curtailing some delay.
and here, my those three, malab, that is the allegation, but those three were malab, school going person, 3%, 2 died, malab, 1 was injured, malab. Those are school going malab, children as per us, malab, and documents are also there, malab.
Why it is pending for so long?
Malab, it 2-3 years during Corona, thereafter again it came malab, around 2 years back, then some reports were called for, it didn't arrive, malab, then another banks took up the matter.
This listing being listed after 2013.
Yes,
After-
yes.
Sorry, 2024,
Yes, last order was on 26/24.
26, 24. But Mr. A. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. Arkady Chaudhary, Learned DSGI, appearing for the respondent numbers 1 to 4, as well as Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respondent numbers 5 to 8. Next para. Upon court query, the learned senior government advocate has submitted that that as per the last information received by him, the police authorities had appointed whom?
26.
Sri Prithviraj Rajkuar, PRITHWIRAJ Rajkuar, APS, then additional superintendent of police within bracket crime as the IO of Runikhata PS case number 28 of 2013 and Runikhata RUNI KHATA, Runikhata PS case number 30 of 2015. So he submits that the updated status report is not available with him. Next para. according to the court is inclined to direct the IO of Runikata PS case number 28 of 2013 and Runikata PS case number 30 of 2013 to send the scanned copy of the case diary including the scanned copy of the inquest report, comma, postmortem report, and forensic examination report, comma, if any, along with updated status of the investigation to the court through the office of the senior government advocate. Next para. In the event the IO has been changed in the meantime, comma, the IO shall also indicate the expected time. The IO has been changed in the meantime and the investigation is still continuing. Comma, in that event, the IO shall also indicate the timeline expected for completion of the investigation. In view of the fact that as per the materials available on record, comma, the incident of death and injury.
11, yes, ma'am.
Death
Death
and
and
injury
injury.
was caused on 11/12/2023. Sorry, 13. 11/12/2013. Next para, the learned. For so far as you are concerned, any court of inquiry was there? No.
No, if it were the 9.
That police report. That now that make it number 1. That including so and so. Number 2, status report. Number 3, ministerial inquiry report, comma, if any.
My lord, those are there, my lord. All other reports are there, my lord.
Is there.
It is,
And the one committee was also appointed, that report will be.
So then the third is not required. The postmortem report is available here.
we have filed it, my lord, in our, it is there, my lord. But
No,
the
because then we don't require that.
inquest and postmortem reports are there, my lord.
That's right. Scan copy of case.
Respondent to. By the state respondent, my lord, by the army respondent, I'm sorry, my lord. The PM reports are,
Where is the affidavit?
yes, my lord, it is. By. No, army, that is. Respondent 1, 2, and 3, my lord, army affidavit, it is there, my lord.
First of all, find in mind.
In-
Page 26 of it.
The inquest to is it?
Invest.
14 or page. From page 14, it is there, my lord. Inquest report, and thereafter the postmortem reports are there. The injury sustained by the person by Nicodim, that is not there, but it may be injury sustained by the other person who my lord, survived, my lord. That is not there, but the others are there, my lord. It may be in the case diary, my lord, which lordship is pleased to call for, my lord.
Scan copy case diary will be. Don't say 1, 2, 3. Mr. Nath, we have noted that in the affidavit filed on 28 May 2024, you have produced certain documents. Does the document produced by you also contain the armory report or the
Another report is there. There's a, on the inquiry report.
First affidavit.
This is our second application, May 2024.
Hmm?
28 May 2024 is our second application. There we have a the inquiry report. Another report is.
we are also issuing a notice on the prayer for what do you call, interim compensation. In the meantime, we'll have some time, breathing time to get instructions.
But here, this is a case where there was a joint operation by army and police. And they were still in a lot of. These are, they are MPLP activists. They can their students, the other report clarified. Their age is, one is 19 years, others are 20 years. And the other report is there. They are MPLP cadets. For the first, it was a joint operation.
My lord knows my, those are ossification reports, my lord. One, there, my lord, 2 years variations are there, my lord. Ossification report, and that is not precise also, my lord. And regarding the age, my, there are certificates from the school, my lord. Those are there, my lord. So even if they're children or not children, they are 16 or 18 or 25 also. Possibly that doesn't matter under the what circumstances it happened, that my lord will
Because,
show, my lord.
because there's a distinction.
My lord.
If they were in the act of perpetrating terrorism,
Yes, my lord.
then they may not be entitled to
Yes, yes, my lord.
compensation.
In each and every case, my lord, which my lord compensations are passed by this honorable court, my lord, there are allegations that those are terrorists. In each and every case, my lord.
That's okay,
possible-
but we can't
subject to
have an
clar-
interim compensation paid till
Yes,
we
yes,
have the decision.
and my lord, here, my lord, they attended school from January till December. And on 10th also, they attended the examination on 10th, my lord, and 11th, the incident happened. All these things are there on record, and there's on affidavit and on, my lord, documents we are submitted, the register, attending school, investigator report.
We are on the different issue.
Now, understood,
Because
my lord. What I meant, my lord, they were regular student, then they attended the examination on the previous night, previous day, my lord. Those circumstances
That
would
would
make it
be,
clear.
that would entitle the compensation on the termination of the proceedings.
Yes, yes.
We can't have an interim interim.
Understood,
That's
understood.
the,
Yes, yes, absolutely, yes, yes, that may be finally decided, yes, my lord, definitely, my lord. We have also not paid for interim, that was a lots of graciousness that lots of asked me.
since it is
Pending,
2013
my lord.
matter,
Yes, yes,
we
yes.
thought that
Yes, my lord,
we could pose a question.
yes, all other reports are there, only that status come, then it can be possibly finally decided by this honorable court.
Then we are returning you this. Your, how much time?
It is upon. 10 for.
It may be on 12th of the next week also. Because. We have from 11th. 10th is okay.
10 November.
Yeah.
Okay. 10, 11, 2025. Based on 10, 11, 20.
Much obliged.
Worship is issue. This one we believe.
No,
No.
not on. Obliged.
You wanted to say something?
No. But what my friend was suggesting.
We thought that something is here.
Something caught my eye while I was going through this last night. In fact, there are police cases registered against the petitioners before. Identifying them as earlier cadets.
For, my lord, for 2 months, it was registered 2 months back. And for 2 months, they were attending school. They were at their home, my lord. They were never caught, my lord. And case was against only one, my lord. And those lordship notes were surrendered NDAB, they stated, my lord, that they are involved, my lord. All these things lordship would consider.
17 years, class 6 lordship, that is. Right. If we pass matriculation at 15.
Somebody is not that good in studies, my lord. He may, my lord, fail also sometimes. Obliged.
That's not correct always. That's not correct always.
My lord.
They are sharp lordship. They are sharp lordship.
They have to.
But here,
They
my
have
lord,
to.
like the other case, my lord, here whatever, it was, they were sharpshooters because 1:30 midnight bullet injury here, my lord. And it was dark. Midnight, my lord. All these things, my lord should consider later on, my lord. Obligement. My lord. And
Nowadays not to be found, lordship. Nowadays not to be found, but we had volumes. No,
okay,
there were publications, we had volumes then.
Item 5 for hearing.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Huda, who is not present today. One of the family members of Mr. Huda expired today morning, and also apparently praying for 2 weeks' time, my lord.
Who's holding the brief is in bereavement. The matter is adjourned today. All the respondents are represented. Give a date after 2 weeks. 70.
I'm like,
Item 6.
May I please, Lordship? The matter once earlier occasion it was heard by some other bench and kept it for a CAB, now released. Lordship, I have lost communication with my client for so many time. I tried to contact, but I could not prepare the case urgent today. Would you kindly adjourn for the After 20, Lordship, I will be out of station on, I will be out of station from 10 to 14. Seventeen or 20.
Both sides are represented. On the appeal made by Mr.
D. Fukan.
B. Pukan, learned counsel for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned today. List on 17/11/2025. Make it 18/11. 18/11/2025.
Obliged.
Item 7.
Yeah, with your lordship. But I'm very sorry, my lord, I have some personal difficulty with that. If possible, my lord, to convince that.
Item 8.
May I please your lordship? I'm appearing on behalf of the Ghosh. She is not available due to some urgent work. She has to ask back. My lord, she was here in this morning and she appeared adjured item number 2. Due to some urgent work, she has to ask back. So I'm here praying for adjournment for the day, my lord.
Item 9.
May please your lordship. My lord, here in this case, we have gone through the record also. The petitioner's father is voter of 1966-70, and there has been two land documents, my lord, annual clearance patta. Those are also exhibited in the name of grandfather and only point is that, my lord, the linkage document. Linkage is Gavura certificate. Linkage is Panchayat certificate. There has been some inconsistency of age entry of the petitioner in the linkage certificate. Out of that, that has been discarded. We my lord,
Even your grandfather's age do not match.
grandfather
Grandfather's age also doesn't match.
is, my lord.
Grandfather is. It not met.
My lord, but father is voter in 1966. There may be, my lord, wrong entry, and grandfather, and the annual Kiras Patta of grandfather. Well, because of some wrong entry in the some records, the entire document, the evidence cannot go, and the Supreme Court had in many cases, Sarvananda, in Sonwati, Sirajul Haq case, in Rohim Ali case, has said, because of this, entire evidence shall not go. And we have the one vital linkage document, that is the Jawamandi copy, that was not exhibited during the trial, madam. And that by that documents, the had it been exhibited, there could have been a evidence on linkage, proper linkage. That was not done, madam. Annexer 19, page 85. Otherwise, my lord, her claim cannot be denied. The voter list of 1966, 70, although not could not be exhibited because the certified copy was not produced. The election officer has come and deposed that there is no available of the 70 voter list, and there was an application. That applications were also exhibited. So there has been effort to produce the voter list of 1970 also. Then, my lord, 85 voter list, 97 voter list of father has been produced. And in her evidence, she has categorically made statement in evidence in chief as well as in the cross part. Lordship may kindly have a look at the cross part at page 70, her claim. Page 70, annexer.
Just a moment.
My lord. Lordship got it.
Just a moment.
My lord, may I read, my lord?
Where is your written statement?
My lord, written statement, Lordship will find at page 60, annex of 13. Edition में is emotionally by for example, देना तो emotionally नाम नहीं. Unless that shot. Inconsistent statement.
What is exhibit 11?
My lord,
What is exhibit 11?
exhibit 11, my lord. Exhibit. My lord, Gaura certificate.
Voter list.
The annex list. Okay. Well,
Where is the discussion on exhibit number 1 and 2? In the opinion?
discussion will be.
Mr. Sharma,
My
please
lord,
take-
there is no discussion about exhibit 1 and 2.
there's no discussion on exhibit 1 and 2, why it was rejected.
Exhibit 1, page 80, Lordship.
It is, this is, page 80, my lord, this is the, these are the pleaded part. But whether the documents to be accepted or not, that has not been discussed. Anyway. One to total is,
Where is the evidence of DW1?
my lord, DW1. At page 71, my lord.
71.
My lord. DW1, my lord. DW1 is, sorry, my lord. DW1 is at page 70.
70.
Yes, ma'am.
So this
Proceeding.
is cross
Cross part, evidence in C part at page 65.
65. Then,
My lord, tribunal,
Exhibit 7 PPSP. Exhibit 7 certificate PAN card.
my lord, Annexure 7, my lord, PAN card. My lord, PAN card. No, exhibit 7. Exhibit 7 PAN card. So PAN card. My lord, the tribunal in pleaded facts in pleading, according to the pleading, recorded everything, but in discussion, appreciation started from exhibit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6, no appreciation. My lord, my lord.
We'll resume after lunch because there's a meeting at 1 o'clock. I have to rise. In fact, two things we wanted to understand from you. You see what the tribunal has done.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Okay. Another Lordship, only aspect is that Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Lord.
May it please your lordship, my lord, I am sorry to place, my lord, item number 12. I have to take my family to the medical reasons, my lord. And my lord, my friend has also suggested he can get the benefit of the Citizenship Amendment Act I can approach the home department for that. My friend was suggesting me, madam, can it be taken up next week, madam? Thursday?
22 matter. Coaches are represented on the player.
My friend is suggesting for 2 weeks, madam.
The matter stands adjourned today, placed after 2 weeks.
Okay.
My lord, my lord, my brief submission already I have made, my lord, the only because of one documents, as it is given, say one documents, the entire evidence has been not considered. My lord, exhibit 7 and 6, this has been compared. Paragraph 9 in the judgment, lord, so may kindly have a look at the, my lord. Yes, my lord, the PAN card, I have not annexed in the writ petition, that is, that may be in the available in the record. My lord. Record in page 34 of the record shows the GP certificate and PAN card is at page 35. Comparing these two, the Planet Tribunal has came to a finding and discarded everything. My lord. PAN card, the age is, date of birth is mentioned to be 1985. And my lord, date of year of birth is mentioned to be 1985. And Panchayat certificate, it is mentioned, that certificate we have annexed in the writ petition. PAN card we have not annexed. Panchayat certificate, lordship will find in petition at Panchayat certificate, sorry, it is my lord, yes, Panchayat certificate. Regular certificate is 49 of the Panchayat certificate. Panchayat certificate mentioned that he was aged about 20 years. And got married on 27, 2002. This is also, my lord, not correct interpretation, because the certificate does not show that show the date of birth or year of birth. Is it about 20 years? That was the age of is on the date of marriage. The tribunal has interpreted that it was the age of 2015. My lord. My lord. This is to start. My lord. Amartan Begum, daughter of Samed Ali, mother dash village number so and so, circle of Nalbari district, who is aged about 20 years, was a resident within the jurisdiction of the Gaon Panchayat. Who is aged about 20 years. My lord. My lord, the Panchayat secretary has also deposed that he issued the certificate in a form given by the government, my lord. So there may be some mistake, my lord. There may be mistake. Kindly have a look at, my lord, the evidence of the Panchayat secretary, what he has stated. The format of certificate was supplied by the government. So, my lord, format, he should correct it, but that was not done, my lord. My lord. So, my lord,
That is not a question asked. Because of my very troubled and difficult background, at section 114 illustration E, I can't just forget. All judicial and official acts are regularly performed. So he's a Gram Panchayat secretary, he has signed the official document. We'll have to presume that he is duly performed his duty.
my lord, tribunal, there was no cross-examination on this point, whether the certificate, whether his age mentioned in the certificate is the age on the date of issuing the certificate or not. That was also no
That will
cross-examination.
not be asked. We think this is apparent is not a question to be asked.
My lord, all other documents, my lord. My lord, the question is, my lord, the tribunal has picked up only this point and smash everything. Whether he can do it, that is the point, my lord. Dismiss discussing on.
Please,
একটু পয়েন্টাতে সব যাবো নাকি? পয়েন্টাতে সব যাবো। শিফটিং এর কথা আছে, শিফটিং এর কথা আছে। There has been a shifting. WS তো আছে, evidence তো আছে, একটু ট্রাইব্যুনালও রেকর্ড করেছে। WS কথা আছে। My lord. My lord, my submission on this, another submission on this point, my lord. This Kaponchat certificate is not an age certificate or birth certificate. So strict view as regard the date of birth or age of birth should not be counted on this documents, my lord. It's not a birth certificate or death, my lord, certificate. Only it's that this lady has been married with another person on so and so date. This certificate is only to that effect. But there may be a mistake and that secretary has deposited on oath that it is a format given by the government. So in that way, the mistake, and that mistake should be counted this way. My lord, disregarding the other documents, the PAN card is correctly mentioned the date of year of birth. And the age entered in the voter list, that also having consistency with the voter list. Age entered in the voter list also. So this Panchayat certificate so far relates to year of birth or date of birth should not be taken into consideration, my lord. And the documents, prime documents, the voter list of 1966 of her father and subsequent voter list, which were proved also, my lord. My lord,
I believe.
my lord, at
It is cross-examination.
yes, cross-examination part,
We have not taken any written application,
yes,
correct?
yes.
Now, Mr. Sigdar, I just have a query. You see, you have written a very good book. You give it to me for a review and for having a, what you call this preface or the initial write-up, what do you call it? That forward. Now, if I write a preface or a forward, I'll have to read the book. Can I give a forward without reading the book? No.
necessarily.
Correct. In this case, he has not taken a written application and given the age. That means that he knows the age. 20 years.
My lord. Uh, that my lord, that has not been given. Application was not
Then
given.
how will somebody know? That means you see, the always the presumption is that he knows. That is why he has given the age.
My lord, presumption should also be taken in our favor also, my lord. Law also there, my lord. Kindly see the, my lord, the inquiry. Inquiry, the statement recorded, and what is stated by the Gaura. In before the police, he has stated he came from Bangladesh and so on, so on. He came, the lady, a poor lady, illiterate lady came from Bangladesh and to be employed here, to get job here.
Mr. Singh, the only difficulty is that the lawyers at the trial stage do not want to upgrade their skill.
Yes, my lord, that is.
They are not focused. They don't know what they actually want, how to actually proceed. They are, in fact, damaging the case.
My lord. My lord. My lord, I was annoyed by the lawyers because I am writing some book criticizing the lawyers, so I am a so bad person among the lawyers. But I have also seen that the lawyers who are practicing in the tribunal, they are making buildings and purchasing, my lord, luxurious car within 3-4 years. These things are going, my lord. The poor people are simply exploited. Well, yes, my lord. When I joined the profession, then my cousins, sisters are telling that, oh, all advocates of Guwahati High Court, they're having car. So we'll get car there.
Yes, Lordship. No, Lordship, only aspect is that Lordship procedure has to establish his link, her link. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes. My lord, exhibit 1 and 2, Lordship, it is annual Khedaspatta, Lordship. In the exhibit 1 is of the year 1949 and exhibit 2 is of the year 1948. And it is in the name of one Bahadur Ali of village Nodia, Lordship. This is of different village and then procedure relies on exhibit one NRC document, Lordship, in the name of Kamal Ali of village Belbeli, Lordship. And Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes. Yes, Lord. That should be discussed, but Lordship. And lordship since 1966 to 1997 lordship, there is a huge gap lordship, and although they annexed 1970 voter list, election officer deposed before the tribunal lordship and says that 1970 voter list is not available, nor in the village Belveli or any other village lordship, where father of the proceeding lordship using to recite lordship. Even lordship, father of the proceeding and grandfather's links also not established in this case, lordship. Or and non-discussing of this title, the title documents, lordship.
My lord. My lord, they have applied. The application, copy of the application also in the record. My lord. Nineteen 70. Yes, at that time. My lord, this is not the one case, my lord. There is so many problems, my lord. Because of the bifurcation, my lord. My lord, yes, my lord. My lord, the advocate has applied, applied for examination of Nolbari because the Nolbari is created out of the Kamrup, and because of the presumption that since Nolbari new district, so documents of erstwhile Nolbari Mohokama may be in the Nolbari district. Out of that presumption, but
But
the voter list 1966 also of the same Nolbari has been created long after.
66 voter list.
66 voter list have
They
been
have
put.
got that
We
voter
have
list,
got.
Lordship.
70 we have not got. And our application is also in the record. My lord, there are some other cases also. The documents of all the years are not found. In another case, my lord, I have seen, my lord, the person is residing in Gandhi Basti, Gandhi Mandap, but he is from Nolbari. He got the voter list of 66, but not the 70. He applied, then he also approached the Sonal Court for certificate copy. Even the Nolbari. My lord,
This is also Lordship 54 number Singha Vidhan.
my lord, kindly have a look at, my lord, the copy who has issued, my lord. The election officer is of Nolbari. In page 39, my lord, the election officer is of Nolbari, but the copy was prepared at the then LR, the then electoral registered officer of Senga LSC. It was issued by the election officer Nolbari. Sometimes, my lord, records of after creation of Nalbari district, records were earlier in the Borpeta, not or Kamrup, not taken to Nalbari district headquarters. That maybe some type of that type of missing. No record is not sent to Nalbari. For that, records may not be available.
One such certificate was issued only on the basis of village admin certificate, and village admin certificate was issued only on the basis of 2016 voter list, Lordship. If these two documents go gone, Lordship, nothing will remain, Lordship.
'85, '97 voter list are also issued by the election officer, Nalbari. DW3. My lord,
73.
73.
Is in your favor. There are reasons to say that. We don't know about the non-mentioning of the other documents, how we deal with it.
My-
But come to page 71. This perhaps
With-
is again the inefficient lawyering. You see this, so many original records were brought, correct?
my lord.
All the voters list were brought except for 70. Now look at how it starts. I present before this tribunal for reducing evidence. I bring the voter list of 1966 of village Beliveli. Name of Somed Ali, son of Bahadur, appeared in so and so. In the voter list of 77 villages not available. I bring the voter list of 85. Name of Somed Ali appears in so and so. Now there's no connection with the father's name and age. Nothing has been asked. So except for this 1966, Samed Ali, son of Bahadur, even the full name is not brought in.
But the voter list are exhibited. Voter list, in the voter list, father names are there. Grandfather's name is
The
there.
entries were not proved. You see, you are now proving the entries.
My lord. These are the, my lord,
No,
silly
we
mistake,
understand
my lord.
how we deal with it is different matter, but this is the deficiency in the lawyering service.
My lord, this OPW2, prima facie, he mentioned, this is about 66 voter list, that Samed Ali, son of Bahadur. And the 70 and 85, father's name is mentioned, but grandfather's against father's name, that has been omitted, not mentioned.
Not mentioned.
Name of Samed Ali, son of Bahadur, appeared in the voter list of 1997. That also mentioned there. In the latter part, my lord. Name of Samed Ali, son of Bahadur, appeared in the voter list of 1997. That, so my lord, only 85 missing. 97 is also there.
Okay. Okay, that is the only part we'll examine. Both things, how we deal with it. One, two, three, four,
1, 2,
Five.
3, 4, 5.
No, it's not a question of prejudice. We are on the other thing. Can we, in this writ petition, can we omit our discussion on this 4 or 5 exhibits? That is number one. Second is, can we overlook the Vikardhan Das and say that now we have examined the documents? Can we do it? That is the two queries we have. We'll try to find out answers. Heard the submissions of Mr. S. A.R. Sigdal and counsel for the petitioner and so also for the respondents. Argument is concluded, judgment is out.
My lord, yes, my lord, my latest book, I have one copy here, but only citation basically on how to prepare WS and evidence. Yes, my lord. এটাই আছে নাকি? My lord, at this stage, I have only one copy. This is my last books. I have also written some other books also. No, what I have written, my lord, in my back page, I have given, my lord, a list of books, my lord. I have written one poetry book also, my lord. Giono wrong. And I can also publish other poetry book also. Yes, my lord. But only ideology, that's much, my lord.
Item 11.
Deep lovely, lordship.
Lordship, for the time being, they have gone to cause. Matter relates to trade license of private unaided schools.
Item 13.
Oh.
Ready.
Anyway. Doesn't.
With the rule challenge, if you will appear, please don't let me put number one, if you take the entire second half. Let my senior finish his part with, then after. That is a very good plan. The entire half it will, will tell us, getting it.
Lordship. Let him be here, let us do it together, let it be. Oh, I was not there, my lord. That's right, that's the lord. Huh? Or if your lordship had, can we, my lord, file a written note of that? That may expedite the matter, my lord. Your lordship, I was not there when the lordship didn't hear, but then I can, if a lordship so desire, my lord.
No, 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 I'll not. Only synopsis only, will not, only a synopsis. I understand, my lord, I understand. I will do that in brief, my lord.
Possible fix it on 20th November, madam. 20. 20.
20th November, ঠিক আছে। 20th November, it's ELI, NILC. Huh? 21st? No, no.
Last week we
20th is okay, only 20th.
last week
Mr.
Jason.
Jay Sinha.
GMC. 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 One.
Lord. I will tell you, yeah.
Item 13.
Here, my lord, may it please your worship, my lord. In this case, my lord, an interlocutory application was filed, my lord. My lord. Your worship will find, my lord, the impugned opinion, my lord, at page 60, my lord. 60, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, petition father's name, my lord. My lord, exhibit one, my lord. Here, my lord, in the incident case, my lord, it is annexure A, my lord. The total list of 1966, my lord. The land revenue, my lord, it is not annexed, my lord, but it was in the it is a voter list, my lord, father's name, my lord. Page C19, my lord. 1919, my lord. Abdul Sheikh, my lord. It starts from page 18, my lord. Abdul Sheikh and mother Rubhan Nisa. Somewhere it is written as Abdul Mia also, my lord. So page 20, my lord, is the electoral rule of 1970, my lord. The same name, my lord. And the village is. Yes, my lord. Second one, my lord, page 20, my lord. Exhibit, page 20, my lord. Yes, my lord. Uh, Let me see. My lord, retail statement is at page, my lord, 39, my lord. Moreover, my lord, his cousin brother, my lord, Ulsan Ali has also adduced evidence, my lord. My lord, his name also mentioned in the, my lord, WS, my lord. He disclosed, my lord.
Then W.
1960. 60, my lord. Yes, my lord. It was dated 3460.
Move further. Again, yes. October 7. Further. So far, George, there are no two. Stop.
My lord, in the total list, my lord. It is Makhwar Jhar. In the annexary, my lord, page 68, 18, my lord. It is written as Makhwar Jhar, my lord, village. Makhwar Jhar and C, my lord. House number, sometimes house number changes. Same year, madam. If with same year, I don't know, madam.
Yes.
1966.
It will be. Because in the part of it, right. Okay. PWD wants to make some contextual statement regarding death of her mother.
Thank you. Supurali, my lord, is there, my lord. Supurali, case 47 is also there, my lord. Case 47, my lord. Here the, yes, my lord. Here, my lord, the names, my lord. Part number, house number, serial number, name. First name, lordship will find case 47, my lord. First one, my lord, Abdul Sheikh, Rubanesa, Sukurali. Sukurali is uncle, my lord. Maharjan Nesa Biwa is auntie. Earlier they were together, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, due to revaluation, my lord, they got separated, my lord. No, my lord, I am not saying that it is 66, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, they got separated, my lord. They shifted separate villages, my lord. But in this voter list of 1966, my lord, that written statement, my lord, Sukurali is there, my lord. Serial number take it. House number, serial number. It for a night. But he will part it, part of the deadline. Part the legal opinion. কিন্তু serial number ঠিক আছে. Serial number sir continuing. Serial number sir continuing. Here my lord, sugar yellow 7. My lord, here one thing, my lord, here also, my lord, I have LC page 47, my lord. First house number is 57, first two. There it is written 53. They had combined, my lord. Probably the two brothers has different house number. Villages are not different. Safar Zhor. It is written, so sometimes become more. Backwards. Bukan bukan yang satu. Wala ko bukan na. Dito po good stay. Yes, 48 it is. There, happy. Is 48. 48. 48. Method BW1 of 54. Superior is the uncle of the Sahib Ali is the my lord is probably my lord cousin brother. Sahib Ali Satira Khatam Sahib Ali is also uncle. Here my lord, from this my lord, it seems two brothers, Shukur Ali and Sahib Ali. My lord,
Take yourself to your parents.
my lord, only one my lord evidence my lord, that is the DW2 my lord. That is the cousin brother my lord. Kulsan Ali my lord. He is the son of Sukur Ali. He had deposed before the tribunal my lord. He had filed his written statement as well as uh, evidence also my lord. Only evidence filed. Case fifth one my lord.
Page number
51 my lord.
51.
My lord.
Yes.
Okay, my lord. Yes, it is closed my lord. Paragraph 3 my lord, that the second part is the daughter of my uncle namely Abdul Sheikh Ilyas Abdul Mia, who was the elder brother of my father. On attaining measurable age, marriageable age, the second party got married to one Lota Mia, son of Akram Mia of village Azarfanga. Yes, Kolkata under present district court. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
One, the overall certificate is also clear, but it's not true. Apart from that, there's no. State emblem was embossed on top of the certificate. State emblem was embossed at the top of the certificate, Lordship. So it is not an admissible document. Apart from that, Gabra not placed before the tribunal to adduce his evidence, Lordship. And only brother's evidence remaining, Lordship. And this is brother's evidence. মোৰ নাম ফুলচান আলী, মোৰ পিতাৰ নাম মৃত চুকুৰ আলী। মই আজিৰ পৰা চাহেৰা খাতুনৰ হৈ সাক্ষী দিব আহিছো। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ মোৰ খুৰাৰ ছোৱালী হয়। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতাকৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল শেখ। তৃতীয় পক্ষৰ মাকৰ নাম মোৰ মনত নাই। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ স্বামীৰ নাম তোতা মিয়া। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ নিজৰ কোনো ভাই ককাই নাই। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতাকে 1970 চনত ভোট দিছে, মাকে কেতিয়া ভোট দিছে মই নাজানো। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতাৰ পৰিয়াল বৰ্তমান সত্ৰকানাৰ গাঁৱত থাকে। আগতে চুটাৰপাৰ গাঁৱত আছিল, চুকাৰ বজাৰ গাঁৱত আছিল, চুকাৰজাৰ গাঁৱত আছিল। চুকাৰজাৰ গাঁৱৰ পৰা সত্ৰকানালৈ কেতিয়া আহিছে মোৰ মনত নাই। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ পিতাকৰ মৃত্যু কিমান চনত হৈছে মোৰ মনত নাই। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ মাকৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা 15 বছৰ হৈছে। This is specific statement given by the proceeding. Mother. দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ yes, Lordship, 15 years. And Lordship, মই 1997 চনৰ পৰা ভোট দি আহিছো। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষই ভোট দিছে নে নাই মই নাজানো। চুকাৰ বজাৰ HCৰ পৰা মই ছুটিৰ পাৰ Lordship, DW2. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Again in cross, Lordship, at page 56, Lordship. From bottom 4th line, Lordship. This is cross part of the proceeding, Lordship, Sahara Khatun. মোৰ মাৰ মৃত্যু হোৱা 5-7 বছৰ মান হৈছে। As per her statement, proceeding statement, her mother was expired 5 to 7 years back, Lordship, and as per projected brother statement, her mother died 15 years back, Lordship. These are the statements, Lordship. And apart from this evidence, there is nothing to link with her projected parents.
One more thing, my lord, in the verification report, my lord, page 67, my lord, it remains all blank, my lord, verification report, my lord. Page 67, my lord, onwards.
It was
67.
settled, Lordship, by this court also, Lordship. These are years inquiry, Lordship.
Nothing was there, my lord. Nothing was mentioned in against any column, my lord. It is all blank, my lord.
In WPC 245 of 2019, order dated 28 to 2025, Lordship. This position was settled, Lordship, regarding LVO report, Lordship. This was settled by this honorable court of Lordship. WBC 245 of 2019. Yes, Lordship. Decided on 28 to 2025. 28 to 2025. 28th of February 2025. Sukurjan Nessa, SHUKUR Sukurjan SHUKURJAN NESSA alias SUKURJAN. SHUKURJAN NESSA Nessa alias SUKURJAN. Sukurjan. Regarding LVO report also. Decided on 28th February 2025.
Right now, no, not my life, separate from one. Smile. Smile.
Yes, Lordship. For bail.
Same word.